To Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Today's topic is highlights of new industrial policy. As in the previous videos, we already started the playlist for the subject business environment and also discusses various topics related to it like meaning of business environment, nature and objective of business environment, economic policies of India, economic plans and so on. So in today's video, we'll discuss about the highlights of new industrial policy. You can also watch other videos. Links are provided in the description box. So before I started the video, I want to say you that if you like my video, please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Now coming to the main topic which is highlights of new industrial policy. So what are the different highlight features of new industrial policy 1991 we'll discuss here. Thrust on promotion of small and agro-based industries have the objective of employment generation, dispersal of industries in the rural areas, and to enhance the contribution of small-scale industries to exports. Is the first highlight of new industrial policy. Second feature is investment limit for small scale industries raised from the existing rupees 35 lakhs to 60 lakhs. For ancillary units from 45 lakhs to 75 lakhs and for tiny sectors units from 2 lakhs to 5 lakhs rupees. So this limit for investment for the small scale industries is also increased in the new industrial policy. SSI means small scale industries. Industrial units which undertake to export at least 30% of the annual production by the third year will be permitted to raise their investment limit plant and machinery for rupees 75 lakhs. So small scale industrial sector units have also the limit for at least 30% of annual production by the third year of their starting of the unit with the limit in plant and machinery of investment is rupees 75 lakhs. The government will identify more items for reservation are and above existing 863 encroachment and violation by the large industries into areas reserved for small scale industrial units will be severely it with. So government also give reservation to the small scale industrial sector for their investment for their establishment also. What are the next highlights? The For improving the competitiveness of the products made by the small scale units, programs for the upgradation of technology could be implemented. Numerous technology centers, tool rooms, process and products development centers would be set up under the Apex Technology Development Center in the Small Scale Industries Development Organization. The government will review the fiscal concessions granted to small scale units to provide them sustained support. Agro processing units will be given priority in the credit allocation from financial institutions. So by the government, agribusiness also be supported for the established for their investment. Numerous technology, tool rooms, product development centers also developed within this industrial policy. While the government will continue to examine large projects, view of constraints of resources, decision in respect of medium-sized investment will be left to individual entrepreneurs. The government has given freedom to entrepreneurs to conclude technology transfer agreements without approval from the concerned authorities. Authorities. This would, however, be subjected to condition that the royalty payment should not exceed 5% of domestic sales and 8% of export. So the limit for the domestic sales and export sales is also prescribed in the new industrial policy. For effective inflow of technology, the policy provides domestic approval for investment up to 40% in terms of duty in such proportion to the landed value of imported capital should not exceed 30% value of plant and machinery. To ensure that investment leads to production of goods of international standards, the unit would have to confirm a minimum economic size. So the limit for the machinery and plant is should not exceed 30% value of the plant and machinery. For the landed value of the industrial units is also prescribed in the new industrial policy, and 40% of the duty is also approved under this industrial policy. The government will not interfere with the location of the small scale units. However, the large scale units are not allowed to be set up within the 2 kilometers of the metropolitan cities having population above 40 lakhs. In brief, the new industrial policy has been designed to promote the growth of small scale and cottage industries and making Indian industry competitive in the world market. So, the location is not interfered by the government, but it is prescribed that any industry, large industry, cannot be set up within the 2 kilometer range of metropolitan cities. So this is all about the highlights of new industrial policy. I again summarizes all the points so that you can easily understand about the topic. So what are the different feature or highlights of industrial policy? First one is the rural areas are enhanced for small scale industrial units for exports, and investment limits also increased for from 35 to 60 lakhs for SSIs, ancillary units for 45 to 75 lakhs, and for tiny sector units from 2 lakhs to 5 lakhs. And 30% for an SSI is also confirmed for production, which is by the third year of the permitted of the investment of their plant. There are different types of programs are run by the government, like tool room programs, process and product development centers also developed by the government sector. Government also give focus on the project review of agriculture based industrial units, and 40% in the case of investment of the duties given by the government for the new industrial units. So this is all about the highlights of new industrial policy. If you have any query about this topic, or if you want to know about any other topic related to research methodology, business management, business environment, you can ask me through comment box. If you like my video, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. We'll meet in the next video with new topic. Thank you everyone.